Well, hey everyone, we are going to open stuff. This is the Wen thing. As you can see, it does things. It's a hand planer. You may have purchased one of these on Amazon because you looked at some of the other brands and they were very expensive and thought, probably only use this a couple times for a project, who knows. But it comes with some nice things, like this bag that holds dust. Fills up pretty quick, as I learned, but it does hold dust. You could call it sawdust. This is a little bracket if you wanted to do some real fine work where you need to go straight. Whatever you want to do with brackets. See how it moves? This is a power cable, and this is a piece of cardboard. You move that, and then out comes the thing. Now, let's take a closer look. It has ports on either side. You can switch it here, there, anywhere. See how it opens that little flap? Now you will get a bunch of sawdust flying out on both sides. It can't hold it perfectly. Those are for your brackets, so you can remove those and then pin those brackets in. There's some nice texture to the bottom of aluminum, and there's a little tool here. It's fun. It's for kids. Then you have a nice set of blades right here. One, spin it around, don't cut your finger. Don't do this at home. Then you have two blades. Top, you'll have, here's the power cord. It's not 3-prong grounded, just 2. And you may struggle putting this in as well, but there is a little notch on the bottom so that it goes in the correct way. See? There it is. So you can switch that back and forth. It has multiple adjustments. The highest adjustment is roughly 1/8 of an inch, just maybe barely 1/8 of an inch. And it makes a nice clicking sound. See? Click. And now I'll show you me cutting the edge of a door. So get ready for that action. Here we are, cutting a door. So probably took about 30 seconds total to cut this door. I did about 10 doors, 2 passes on each. By the end you could tell the blade was slightly dulled, but it actually worked pretty well. So I feel like it was worth the 20% of what I paid for this versus another brand. And I'll probably use it very little. But there you go. That is the Wen. I think it's the 6 amp. And there's the cut. There was paint in the slots because I had to trim the door down, and I had already cut slots for my hinges. And take care. Bye-bye.